In a tranquil valley far away, high on the Tibetan plateau, Lucky looms larger than its mates, its strong body and resolute spirit unmissable. With the arrival of early summer, nature awakens. Resolved to guide the herd, Lucky contemplates the journey ahead. The promise of lush grass and ample water spurs him on. On a bright sunny day, a clear pond glistens, bordered by lush flora. Lucky the dog spots the struggling donkey and dives into the water. Paddling vigorously, he nudges the donkey toward the shore. Lucky initiates a series of clever maneuvers. He uses his agility to lead the pack through a maze-like path. With quick thinking, Lucky confronts the leader, showing his unwavering bravery. The pasture emerges, a vibrant tapestry of green under the sun. Lucky observes their reward, the herd shares his pride. Sated, the herd indulges in the fruits of their journey, as the stream sings. Perched on a lofty knoll, Lucky surveys the scene below. It watches the herd with a heart swelling with delight. With newfound insight, Lucky leads the herd across the sweeping plains. Their daily lives, a careful synchronization of grazes and trots, weave into an enduring tapestry of legend, their unified existence. A beacon of inspiration, instilling the courage to chase aspirations.